Hi there! Welcome to Amari Educates, where mathematics is made easy. In this video, we're going to study Graphofaline. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for the support. Now let us start with our first one. Graph a line using 2 points, or if the given are 2 points. Let's have our example. A line passes at -2, 1 and 4, 4. Graph the line. This problem is easy because all we have to do is to identify the location of these 2 points. So let's have the first one. -1, 2. So from here, -1. And then to the y, we have 2. So the location of the point is at this one. And the other one is 4, so let's have the 4 on the x, and then we move up 4 to the y, so that's a line here, so the point should be located there. Now, to graph the line, all we need to do is to join these points. So there you have it, you already have the graph of the line given 2 points. Okay, next. Graph of a line by x and y intercepts. Usually, the given there will be the equation of the line. So, graph the equation of the line x plus 2y is equal to 4 is our given. Now, what we're going to do is to use the x and y intercept. What do I mean by this? It means that I'm going to assume that x is equal to 0. And when we assume that x is equal to 0, meaning this will be removed, then we're going to solve for y. So don't think of this anymore because this is 0, so we only have 2y is equal to 4. So if 2y is equal to 4, therefore we could say that y is equal to 2. Now the next one is for this one. So this time we're going to assume that y is equal to 0. Meaning to say, I do not be bothered by this anymore because this is already 0. So I have x is equal to 4. Okay? Now take note how you're going to have the order. For this one, again, we follow the rule of x, y. So if we're going to have it as a point, that will become 0, 2. For this one, the point will be, again, x, y, which is 4, 0. Okay? So we're going to plot these points here on our graph. So 0, 2, from 0, and then the y is 2 is here. And 4, 0 will be here. And then that's it. We have the graph of the line. Okay? Let's have another method. Graph of a line. It could be horizontal or vertical. So how can we have a horizontal or vertical line? Take a look at the given. Graph the equation of the line. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. So these are two lines. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Let's focus first on x is equal to 2. So if you have only x is equal to 2, all you need to do is to find the location of x, that is 2, here. And draw a vertical line here. So x is equal to 2 can be located here. So this will be your graph already. While y is equal to 5, so we're going to find y, that is 5. We cannot draw a vertical line here, so we're going to draw a horizontal line. Okay? Meaning to say, x is equal to 2, it will pass at x where it is at 2. And it will pass on the y where there is 5 if it is y equals to 5. Okay? Now, let's have the last method. Graph of a line using rise and run. You know, sometimes the x and y intercept, it's hard to use that, so we must have another method. graph the equation of the line 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. If we're going to use the rise and run method, we have to solve for y. So solve for y, so we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. We transpose the 2 here. So we have a new equation, negative 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. Now we divide all the terms by negative 3, so it will look like this. So negative 2 divided by negative 3 is positive 2/3, and positive 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. If we already have it, or we already solved the y, then we could use the rise and run. Okay? Now let's have this one. So the method is easy. We have to look at the position of this one. This is called the y-intercept, meaning this can be located on the y only. I repeat, you can locate this on the y only. That's why it's called y-intercept. So negative 2 on the y, so we have it here. So this one should be here. So this is our first point. Okay? Now the next thing we're going to check are these two numbers here. So if the number on top is positive, then it should go up. But if this one is negative, it should go down. Same thing here. The number in the denominator, this is the rise and this is the run. So this is 3, positive to the right, if negative to the left. So since both are positive, we could now start counting. So let's start with the one on the numerator, and we will start from here. It says 2, a positive rise. So I will count 1, 2. But this is not the point yet. Okay? And then the 3 is positive, which is a run. Positive run to the right. So again, 1, 2 for the rise. And for the run, we have positive 3. So we move to the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this is the location of our points. So again, from here, you count 2. Positive means go up, but if negative means go down. So since it is positive, 1, 2. And then the 3 here is the run, which is positive on the right, negative on the left. So 1, 2, 3, since it is positive. So these are our points now. So this is our graph. Okay? So those are the 4 possible scenarios that you could have you could use to graph the line. Okay? Now at this point, we're going to check if you understood our lesson. Okay? Ready? Okay. If you're ready, let's start with our first problem. Which is the graph of the line that passes through negative 1, 1, and 1, negative 1? Which of these two graphs? Ready? Timer starts already. Time is up. And the correct answer is the first graph. Okay? Let's have the second one. Which is the graph of the equation x is equal to negative 3? Let's start the time. Time is up. And the correct answer is the first graph. Okay? Next, let's have another practice. Determine the graph of the line of x minus 2y is equal to 2. Let's start the time. Time is up. And the correct answer is the second graph, or the graph on the right. Okay? Okay, let's have the final question, or the final practice. Determine the graph of the line of 2x is equal to 5y plus 10. Let us start the time. Time is up, and the correct graph will be the one on the left. Okay, I hope you got all the 4 points and you were able to answer all the questions. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and once again, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Remember, it's cool to be wise. Have a nice day, everyone.